next lot up is this Marvel Mark 8. It's a Series 2 vertical bandsaw machine. We'll go ahead and start the machine for you. It's got an automatic feed system. Right here is going to be your different weights. So go ahead and the different weights of pounds are going to let you know exactly how fast you're going to be feeding, how much weight it's going to be, pressure you're going to be pushing into it. We'll go ahead and start the feed. It's very simple. You have your neutral and your feed, and you'll notice now it's feeding. Stop the saw with the emergency stop, and you'll notice here it is a tilt head. You have to go ahead and unlock. Once it's unlocked, you can go ahead and tilt the head to the desired position. You'll have your scale right here to go ahead and let you know exactly where you need to be.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Good luck bidding.